guys, one of the things I love to do the most is traveling. It kind of makes me feel so good whenever I leave my space. Today's vlog is going to be about me exploring a city in the UK, a very, very historical city. Today is Sunday. Happy Easter to my lovelies. Hi guys, my name is Demi. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. On my channel, I basically talk about lifestyle, beauty, travel, everything fun for my trip. I'm going to be spending 2 days in this city and I'm going to take you guys along, show you guys everything I do and get to. This vlog is going to be a struggle because it's been so long. I did a vlog, but I just hope that you guys bear with me and enjoy the video. I'm not going to tell you guys where I'm going. I'm actually not going to tell you guys. It's not out of the country. I'm still in the UK, but it's a very ancient city that has so much history to it. It's so funny because I did so much research, guys, and this is because I'm such a movie head. I've seen so many Roman movies, you know, how the King of England, you know, everything, how the Romans invaded England. I've seen so many movies, guys, and it's actually very interesting for me to, you know, put this into perspective by visiting like some sites and some things. It's going to be an interesting video, but most importantly educative. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's so different from what I usually would do. Anyways, today is Sunday. I'm all packed. Let me show you guys my box. So since I bought this luggage stuff from Amazon, it's been so good. It keeps me organized. So I basically put my clothes in here, and then this is my makeup, and this is an extra wig, my slippers, and my bathing bag. And this is literally all I'm going with. And of course, I'm carrying this big bag that has all my camera gears, my notepad, I think it's called the stabilizer. And yeah, that's basically everything I'm carrying. So to go to where I'm going, we can either take a cab, a bus, or the train. But guess what? Your girl likes comfort. So we're taking a cab. It's actually a 30 minutes drive from where I live. I feel like you guys can deep it where I am because I live in Bristol. And the place I'm going is 35 minutes from Bristol. I feel like some people might know. Anyways, guys, I'm super excited. We're leaving in a bit. It's past 10. We're staying in a very cute hotel. I can't wait to show you guys. And I'm going to check with you guys when we're in the cab. And that's it for now. Bye, guys. So obviously the outfit is given. So I wanted to do a quick photo shoot before we hit the road. This is my outfit, very nice. I've loved boots since I came here, guys. It just gives me this edgy look. And yeah, these boots are from, I think they're from Select, and the skirt as well. The top is from Pretty Little Thing, and the bag is Gucci. And I'm having this Pret yogurt for the road, guys. Since they're having this yogurt, I haven't stopped. This is literally what I have for breakfast almost every day. My colleagues know. Everyone is always like Pret. But it's just so good, guys, and it's nourishing as well. It has so many good qualities that helps your body and your mind and your soul. Anyways, guys, we're en route now and we're in the cab. And what's the time, please? Like the accurate time. Do you know what the time is? 11:20. So it's 11:20. We literally just left, so I'm going to time it to know the exact time it takes. The map says about 35 minutes, but I'm thinking 45, 50. And because of UK like rules and regulation, you can't go like fast on some particular road, so I feel like it doesn't really put all that into consideration. But anyways, guys, I'll let you guys know once we get there. I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and I'll see you guys in a bit. That you drove somewhere and you guys had such a great conversation and you can't forget. Have you had a customer that like
quite
that?
A lot, actually. I mean,
quite a lot.
Yeah,
I hope I'm one of them.
Yeah, of course you are. But yeah, I mean, thankfully I have like quite a lot of good experience with passengers.
Yeah, with passengers.
Maybe or you know what, your hotel is probably in the center, which is just 1 mile from here. So you can imagine how big the lot is.
Small it is. Guys, we're here. Look how beautiful this place is. Let's do a quick tour. Come with me. This just looks like where you get things done, like just sign papers and things. What I like about this place is there's a lot of like privacy areas. Even if it's like an open space, you can still get privacy because you have a quick meeting here. Like guys, you know, brand deals. This is where you sign brand deals. It's like really serene, really different. There's even like a library here. So guys, we're literally just taking a walk in the city. The city of Bath in southwest England was founded in the 1st century AD by the Romans, who used the natural hot springs as a thermal spa. Bath is home to over 109,500 people, and it became a World Heritage Site in 1987, and it continues to attract millions of tourists every year, including myself. Apart from Bath being like the most beautiful town in Britain, it's also a very walkable city, guys. Everything is packed into one area, like it's so compact, and it has all the qualities of like a tourist city. There's road selling, there's like cheerful passerbys, there's like music going on in the town every day, guys. Like it was such a very nice vibe every day I came out. The first day I enjoyed walking about in the town. I enjoyed meeting people. There were people that I ran into, like I saw them in like the first place and then I saw them in like the next place. That just shows you how small and compact the city is. Of course, this city, apart from it being so beautiful, it has a lot of historic sites, like I told you guys. And of course, our first stop was to visit the oldest house in, Bath, and it's the Sally Lunn. Guys, there's like a big debate about Sally Lunn and the Bath Bun. They're both bread makers, which is really weird. They make bread, and then there's like a big, conversation about who has the best bread and everything. So apparently the Sally Lunn has been in existence since 1482. Guys, I was dying to enter the house, but obviously I'm going to show you how mad the queue is to have bread in this house. I was like, what is going on? The queue was massive. It was really long. Can you guys see how people were queuing up? I was like, there's no way I'm queuing to buy bread. I don't even like bread to start with, so why would I queue to buy bread? But obviously, the bread must be really good for people to queue up this long to buy bread. Next stop was to get the famous Italian ice cream, and guys, let me tell you that I wasn't disappointed. If there was something called like food orgasm, I think this is what it would look like. I've heard people say that term before, but I don't totally believe it. But yeah, this will be what it would look like. Obviously, the next thing was food time, see me happy, dancing. We visited Casa de Tapas, a Spanish restaurant, which was really nice. I loved the food. I genuinely loved the customer service, and I definitely would recommend them. After our meal, we headed back to our hotel, the DoubleTree Hotel by Hilton. Absolutely gorgeous. Check-in time wasn't until after 3, but they were kind enough to order our bags while we went into the city. The room was pristine, very clean, very clean. The mattress was really soft. The pillow was succulent. The view was amazing. Apparently, I could see the Isle of Bath from my window. And if you guys look deeply, if you look through the window, that's literally the Portene Bridge from my window, guys. The view is breathtaking. The wood finishing looked exotic, if you guys notice, very clean, very pristine. The bathroom had amazing, hand wash, hand lotion. The shower gel was beautiful, smelled really good. And that's how I kind of define luxury. Like when they have like good shower gels, good conditioners, good hand gels, good hand creams, that's luxury to me. Immediately we got in, we got dressed quickly to go to our first store of the day. Obviously, we're ready, and right now I think we're going to the Roman bath. That's our first stop. And like I said, everything in Bath is like a walking distance to where you're going, so we're gonna walk there. And yeah, come with us, guys. The Roman bath is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the UK, and it receives over 1.3 million tourists yearly. So the Roman bath was actually built around this natural hot spring water that were believed by the Romans in that time to have, natural healing powers. Until today, the water still comes out hot, guys, till today. There's so much to know about the Roman bath, and just because I've read about it as well, I would love to share my, observations and readings with you guys. But it wouldn't be in this video because it would be really long. If you're interested, watch out for the video coming out. It's going to be about the Roman bath, the Portene Bridge, and the Royal Crescent. That video will go up, I think, next week after this one. I'm going to take my time to do it for you. Can you guys see how many people were there? When I was there, I'm sure we were like over 500 people. There's loads of people coming in. There's loads of people, just wanting to see this natural hot spring. And so was I there to do the same. And also in the museum, you can obviously see what, you know, life was being a Roman. And this was like the hairstyle for a very rich Roman woman, apparently. So there's still water from this, you know, thermal spa that is actually drinkable. And apparently people still believe that it has healing powers. And obviously your girl had to have a taste. Guys, it tasted like iron. It tasted like smelling water. And obviously on our way out is the Roman bath shop, which was very gorgeous, very beautiful. They had like Roman, you know, teddy bears. They had like Roman robes, Roman brushes. And obviously because it was a thermal spa, they had a lot of bathing oils and everything that, you know, they were selling there that people were really buying, because the Romans were believed to have really great skin and they used to really take care of their body. So there were loads of that. Look at the robes here. I was so tempted to buy the robes, but it was like £50. I was like, what? But I still found it very beautiful. I did end up buying 2 things, the cheapest things in the store. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Yeah, that's the end of the Sulis Minerva. I'm gonna tell you guys about her. Yeah, we ended our day with this meal. We're so tired. So obviously, other reasons why I like leaving my comfort zone is the fact that you actually get to rest. I think there's something about not being in a space that you're used to that actually gives you that peace of mind. Guys, this is the end of day 1 in Bath, and obviously I had so much fun. Like I said, there will be other videos detailed about Roman bath, because Roman bath cannot even be fitted into like this video, or else it will be so long. But if you want much more details about it, I'm gonna do a full video about it. Today we actually had dinner reservation for 8:30. We came back home around past 7 and we're like, you know what, let's just take a nap. We're gonna get up and go. Tell me why we woke up past 10. And guys, it's currently past 11. I'm editing. We had to order in Chinese, and yeah, we're just gonna eat and just go to bed, and then tomorrow's another day. And I'll see you tomorrow.